now. Alright guys, KTA breaks. We are full on Absolute memorabilia. So we pulled 4 101s last night. How many 101s are we going to pull tonight? We've already pulled a Mahomes to 25. So we stay up. I just texted you. Did you get my text? Did you not get my text, sir? Alright guys, good luck. 10 bucks. Ready, guys? Ready? It's one off the back, right? For the Celtics, and this one Celtics, I believe, are Sorensen. 45 or 42.75. Tremont Waters. I literally just texted you, said we're full. Miles Bridges, Zach Levine. Wow, it's not PJ Washington. It is a patch, though. 5 of 25. Rookie Threads, 2-color for Sorensen. Cody Martin. And veteran. Out of 25 for the Nets. What am I doing? Karis LeVert. Out of 199, D-Lil. Agent Zero. He's a new Agent Zero. Is the audio messed up today? Hold on. Check. Is the audio messed up today? Yeah, audio's messed up. Hold on. Be right back. Check. Audio's messed up. Hold on. Be right back. Check. Check. Audio's all messed up. For the Pistons, Adam Demboye. No one told me for the hour and 35 minutes I've been on. Knicks. No one said anything. Caleb. Nice. It's a jersey. You guys see what they did to this stuff? You guys see this? All the player-worn materials say autographs on them, so they crossed them out in black. Zion Williamson, numero uno of this break, rookie threads. Zion jersey. And Quindary Witherspoon for the Spurs out of 49. Spurs are Sorensen. Zion Williamson, box 1. Boom. It's crazy, man. Oh, we got Pascal Siakam out of 199. Markkanen and Harden. For the Hawks, 2-color out of 25. Bruno Fernando. He's got the Hawks in 1. Marvin, who I totally forgot his name. Marvin. What is Marvin's name? Breaker's name. And Danilo Gallinari, 1 of 49, veteran autograph for the Oklahoma City Thunder. There's a Thunder card. A Tunder or Carlos. What's up, Frank? Hey, we got a rookie autograph. 199, Bol. Bol. Rui Hachimura and Jamal Murray. Established Threads, Jimmy Buckets for the Heat. And high. And out of 175, Quad, Admiral Schofield for the Whiz Kids. Jersey, ball, jersey. I go to high on the Whiz Kids. Nah, I couldn't find any more. Frank. I even went to a Walmart in the middle of nowhere yesterday on my way back, and they were out. They only had the displays. I got Brandon Ingram on the Pelicans at a 199. Chris Paul, Chris Middleton, Thunder and Bucks. Dylan Windler, 3-color, 4/5 green for Eddie and the Caves. Eddie and the Cavs. Rookie Threads green, 3-color. No, I couldn't find. I didn't even go out there. I figured it was a lost cause. Mark. And Miles Turner at a 49. Miles on the Pacers. Pacers in this one are What Am I Doing? Now we got a Luka on the back. The Mavericks. That's going to be a numbered Luka. I'll probably get you all your money back on the Mavs spot. Especially if it's out of 75. 30 of 75. Luka Doncic. Talon Morton Tucker for the Lake Show and Vucevic. Established Threads, John Wall. And we got a super thickie coming up. 2 of 10. Jersey. Ball with lettering, sick chunky patch and patch. That is Kevin Porter Jr. for Eddie and the Caves. Boom. You can only blame yourself, Beebs. Off the back, I thought that was Hero. KZ Okpala at a 99. For the Heat, we got Jalen Noel for the T-Wolves and Brandon Clark for the Grizz Kids. That's nice. 3 of 6 for the Bulls. Guess who gets a hit? Brad 8671. Does that count as an NBA logo, man? That's a nice card. 3 of 6. Kobe White, Authentics, Jumbo Basketball. And right team. 7 of 10. Nikhil Alexander Walker. That's not bad. Out of 10. For the Pelicans, McNulty. Absolute starting to heat up, guys. Super thicky again. 1 of 25 for the Clip Show. What am I doing? Mafundu. Mafun all the dues. The fun, all the dues. Jalen Noel, Brandon Clark, and Saboner. Dual jersey veteran Saboner for the Pacers. And for the Suns, wow. 4 of 5. Patch material, ball with writing, chunky basketball patch from a hat. 3-color patch. 3-color patch, 3-color patch. Cameron Johnson for the Funginator. That is a very nice hit, William. See? I'm your favorite breaker. Back to on-card autos. Out of 199, Mike Conley for the Jazz, Gobert for the Jazz, and not numbered for high and the Heat. Hero. Tyler Hero. Jersey, Eric Pascal for the Warriors. That's Grand Poobah Ray. And on card, not numbered, RJ Barrett. Going to the Knicks and McNulty. RJ. On card, RJ rookie auto. I mean, I know you get around, phone. Glass insert. Good luck, guys. Alright, we have D'Angelo Russell, Warriors. KZ Okpala, Heat. For the Hornets, PJ Washington, jersey. For the Hornets, 6-way Cody Martin. Nothing special there at a 149 for Sorensen and the Hornets. We have 7 of 99, Talen Horton-Tucker for the Lakers. And your glass card is going to go this way. Good luck, everybody. Card 17. Who is card 17? Let's find out together. Jason Tatum. Tatum glass for the Celtics and Sorensen. Not a big glass. Well, Rob's going to be happy. Giannis, 5 of 5. For the $13 Milwaukee Bucks. 5 of 5 Giannis. Very nice. And we got a Rui. And we got a Ja. For the Spurs, Damari Carroll. I mean, $13 fun and high. And Robert and Carlos. $13. That's why you take them for 13 bucks. 41 to 175. Jackson Hayes quad. They're playing D&D tonight. That's weird. Why is that way? Out of 199, Rozier, Cameron Johnson, and Admiral Schofield. Cam Reddish, 2-color. Cam. And for the Suns, the 49 for William Fungerbobber, Ty Jerome. We still got 4 boxes left. I haven't seen Nava in a couple days. Is he alive? All right, Jackson Hayes out of 199. Simmons, and there we go. Zion, base rookie. Better than no Zion base rookie. That's not very nice. Fun. Established threads for the Lake Show. 1 color. Anthony Davis. Brian Bowen II. Please tell me that's Bruce Bowen's kid. 13 to 25. I don't know if it would be Bruce Bowen's kid or nephew or something. 25 for the Pacers. Out of 199, Julius Randle, Nikhil Alexander-Walker, John Collins. Isaiah Roby for the Mavericks. And what am I doing? And Bol out of 175 for the Nuggets. And JoJo. Quad material. Bol. Got 3 boxes left. RJ's been our best hit. Man, the 5 boxes. You're welcome, Roberto. 5 boxes we did last night were better than this so far. Tremont Waters out of 199. Sekou Doumbouya. Kevin Love. Larry Legend. Is that going to be a gamer? Game used Larry Legend for the Celtics. And for the Miami Heat. Hi, getting the KZ Okpala. Giant V auto. He's not the white kid. You're correct. Out of 75, there's a little dent right there. Whoever has the Raptors, which is, what am I doing? Kyle Lowry. Ty Jerome, Kyle Lowry. White guy on the Mavericks. Dwight Powell. Wrong white guy on the Mavericks. And PJ Washington out of 199. Jersey. Ball jersey. We need a monster in these last 2. That's why I was surprised they were like the 16th team taken. He's all over this stuff. And he's decent. I don't think I had him too expensive. We got LeBron James. This is going to be a 101. Carlos, if it's a 101, you owe me a steak dinner. Nope. 20 of 99. LeBron James. Boom. That's LeBron James for you, Los. Another KZ Okpala and Paul George for the clip show. Boom. Gasol and Wicked Liquids. That's his name. Marvin. DeAndre Hunter out of 199. Two-color jersey. Ball and jersey. That's DeAndre Hunter. Joel Embiid out of 199. Romeo Langford. Darius Bazley. Rookie threads. Go, guys. Oh, gosh. Really? We got away from this guy for so long. And now he's back at 49 for the Nuggets. It is Fat Lever. Boomski Fat Lever. This case has been very subpar. Porzingo out of 199. KZ Okpala, Paul George. Thaddeus Young is on the Chicago Bulls now. Did not know that. That's fun. And double dose. Doubling up. RJ Barrett out of 199. Jersey ball jersey. McNulty and the Knicks. Tatum out of 199. Bruno Fernando, Kobe White, Goga, and Future Ink of Mia Oni. That was a subpar case, guys. Other one's got to be better. Let's fill that one up. Alright, guys. Let's start a new video and do a hit recap.